Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest challenges English learners face. Why is it so difficult to understand English movies and TV shows? Let's begin. Let me tell you something important. You don't struggle because your English is bad. You struggle because movie English is not textbook English. Movies use fast speech, connected words, slang, reduced sounds, background noise, natural, messy conversation. Textbooks use slow speaking, clean sentences, perfect grammar, no slang. It's like two different languages. So if you feel lost when watching movies, it's not your fault. Your brain simply hasn't heard real English yet. Native speakers don't actually speak faster. They speak smoother. They connect words. For example, I am going to let you know. Native version. I'm gonna let you know. I don't know. Native. I don't know. Did you eat yet? Native. Jeet yet? It's not speed, it's connection. And if your ear isn't trained for connected English, everything sounds like one long, impossible word. In movies, English is reduced. Sounds are deleted. Words shrink. Everything becomes shorter. Examples: want to, wanna. Going to, gonna. Got you, gotcha. Kind of, kinda. Give me, gimme. If you learned only perfect English, these natural sounds feel unfamiliar. Movies are full of sound. Music, cars, people talking, footsteps, dishes, wind. Your brain tries to focus on English, but the movie gives you 10 sounds at once. Even native speakers sometimes turn on subtitles, so if you can't understand everything, it's completely normal. Most learners study in this order: 1. Grammar. 2. Reading. 3. Writing. 4. Speaking. 5. Listening. 6. Movies. But native children learn like this: 1. Listening. 2. Listening. 3. Listening. 4. Speaking. 5. Reading. 6. Writing. Movies are step 6, not step 1. You are not bad at English. You just started with the hardest step. To understand movies, you don't need more grammar. You don't need more vocabulary lists. You need ear training. This means listening to simple, slow English every day until natural English becomes familiar. Like music, the more you hear it, the more your brain understands the rhythm. Here is the method that works. Step 1. Listen to simple English stories for 10 to 15 minutes a day. Step 2. Repeat the same story for 3 days. Repetition equals recognition. Step 3. Then move to slightly harder English, like sitcom clips or interviews. You climb the ladder slowly, not all at once. Let's practice one natural sentence. What you gonna do later? Full version: what are you going to do later? Repeat slowly. Whatcha gonna do later? Now faster. What you gonna do later? This is ear training. This is how you understand movies. If you can't understand English movies yet, remember, it's not your fault. Movie English is fast, connected, and reduced. But every week, every day, every minute you train your ears, you understand more. Stay patient, stay consistent, and keep listening. This is your real English journey. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.